Welcome back, this is Built Mike's Way, and I'm Mike. Today we are on the Pantera build. We've done a lot of regular maintenance to it, getting this thing ready to drive, and today is going to be her first test drive in, I don't know, I think 15 years or so. So guys, get ready, stick around for the end of the video, and we're going to get this bad boy out of the garage. Alright guys, we're about halfway on the Pantera. Brakes are actually about a quarter of the way. So we got 4 pistons out. One of the front brakes is freed up. We started putting new valve covers on it. We also put a new alternator in it. It's already been converted to a GM 1-wire. So it's coming together pretty nice. The engine is super clean when we took off the valve cover. So that's a great bonus. The engine was rebuilt at one time by the original owner, I believe. So car's looking good. We're gonna get some brakes on it and test drive this thing pretty soon. Come back around, just do a couple of checks maybe in the alley. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. This car is going to be going up for sale very soon, so please check it out. This Built Mike's Way, and thanks for sticking around. Have a great day.